Everyone, in this video I would like to share to you about how to make a PU window in SketchUp. Okay, first of all you have to make basic pattern with a polygon, and you can set the side with 6 sides right here. Just typing on your keyboard and press enter, so it would be automatically appear the count of your desired side in this polygon shape anyway. Then you have to position it on origin, then you can just adjust the radius of the polygon. I prefer the radius, it's around 1500 millimeter, right? And now you can see the basic pattern of the polygon right here. You can the basic pattern with the polygon. You can see the outline is connected, is merged like this, and of this you can right click and just explode the curve, and then you can see the curve is exploded right here. Then you can then you can delete some unnecessary line in this part anyway. Then you can erase, right click and just select erase, and you can see the 3 line in this drawing, and you have to complete the basic pattern with a line right here. And after that you have to offset to the offset area, to the outside area with select this 3 line and just offset it and push and offset it outside around 150 millimeter, right? And you can extend this line anyway. You can extend this line, then you can complete the end of the line anyway. Then something like this, you can see it. And now you can erase the unnecessary shape and object, something like this. Then you can adjust the basic shape, basic pattern with a push and pull. You can push it around 3000 millimeter, right? Something like this. You can see, you can make it group, and don't forget to make floor and ceiling with a line. Then you can see the how to draw it. You can just follow the path of the shape anyway. Then you have to make it group, and for making ceiling you can only just move it to the upper position right here, and then you can see the shape of this. Okay, and after that you have to make elevation between the floor and the bottom window. It's around, maybe it's around 600 millimeter, right? And then you can also adjust it and just set the same elevation of the floor, between the floor and the radius, between the floor and the guideline. And after that you can set the upper level of the window. It's around, you can set the upper level from the floor, it's around 2500 millimeter, and you can continue to, by right or left side anyway. Okay, and then you can adjust again with the tape measure tool about border of the each wall side. You can type 150 millimeter, 150 millimeter, right? You can see it, and you can repeat the you can repeat the method to another side. With tape measure tool 100, just type 150 millimeter. And make sure that the line is parallel with the side, with every side you want anyway. Okay, something like this, you can see it, 150 millimeter. Okay, and after that, you can see the guideline is help you to make a perfect window opening in this modeling. So you can you can enter to the group, and you can just select a rectangle and just follow the corner to corner draw. You can see the progress anyway. And after that, you can activate your height of rest model, something like this. Then you have to push it back in every opening on the wall until it will be a clear look anyway, something like this. So you can see the progress about this step anyway. You can see the perfect dividing of the window opening. Then you can make a perfect window because of it. And don't forget to erase some unnecessary guideline anyway, something like this. Just right click and just click erase, and now you can see. And then you can make a window with a window design which is you desire anyway. You can use a rectangle like this. You can use a rectangle, and you can just set the frame thickness with the offset. For example, you can set the value is about 40 millimeter, right? And then you can just click the center pattern and just erase, because it unnecessary shape to make a window frame anyway. And then you can set the frame width around 120 millimeter, and just select it all component and just make it group anyway. Okay, and after that you can make vertical divider of the window with the rectangle tool right here, with the rectangle tool. And then you can just set the horizontal frame width is around 40 millimeter also. Then you have to make it group, and then you can move it to the top. You can move up, it's around 1000 millimeter, right? You can move it up 1000 millimeter, and then you can push it back just only 40 millimeter. So you can see the space right here, because we would like to make a top and bottom sliding window anyway. Then you have to make a rectangle right here. You have to make a rectangle with this horizontal frame, and you can set the window lift thickness. I set the thickness is around 40, and I just push it down, and just set the window lift frame is around 50 millimeter, right? This is just for example. If you have some standard or product industry information about the dimension, you can use it in this modeling, 3D modeling case anyway. And then you have to make it group again, and after that you have to make vertical and horizontal frame or accessories, right? and you have to push it up. You have to push it up is around 20 millimeter only, because it's just divider frame, and just make it just rotate it and press Ctrl, and by click this object for the first and just select the rotate, and you can rotate it with a green axis. Anyway, you can type 90 degree, and you can just move to the center of the frame. You can move to the center of the frame, something like this. Okay, with until you found a constraint on line from point, right? Okay, and after that you have to push it down about this frame. You have to push it down, and you have to make it component, and just create it and press move and press Ctrl and adjust it and press 3/ and enter. And just erase it. Okay, and after that you have to make a movement. Please select this object and please select a move and press Ctrl. Okay, and you can just move it back. Anyway, you can just move it back to make sliding window element, and you can just select the top area of this window leaf frame, and just move it down in this area. Anyway, and after that you have to make a movement and press Ctrl and position it on the center midpoint of the group. Anyway, then you have to push it down. Okay, you have to push it down, then you can make a rotation and press Ctrl to duplicate it with a rotate method, something like this. You can move it on the midpoint of the vertical object. Okay, and you can push it on the right, on left side. Okay, it's clear. Then you have to make a glass object or glass component with rectangle. By start from this corner, bottom corner, to the top corner of the window leaf, and then you have to make a thickness. It's around 9 millimeter or 10 millimeter. Then you have to make glass material, right? Then you can set up the opacity and the color right here. Okay, you can set the opacity and the color, and you can just move it into the appropriate position of this construction. Anyway, okay, and move, and just press move and press Ctrl, and you can move it down. And you can select all this object with a left click from the left top corner to the bottom right corner area, and just right click and make it group. Anyway, then you can make it component. Just create it, and then you can move and press Ctrl to duplicate it, and press rotate to make appropriate orientation and position of this pay window. Anyway, then you can also move this component again and just position on this corner, and you can rotate it to the left side in line with the wall opening, right? Okay, and then you can make some material of the frame. You can add frame material by the wood which is you wanna and with your desire, maybe you can use this wood veneer to adjust this material quickly and fast. Okay, and after that, I want to share about how to make bay sofa by using the line, and just follow the path, something like this, and then you have to offset it inside. You have to offset it inside. Is around 500 millimeter, right? And then you can press you can select the line and then complete the basic pattern of the sofa, and then you can just select the unnecessary line and just erase it, so you can see the sofa's area. Then don't forget to make a duplicate about this sofa to the above of the object with a press Ctrl and press Shift to make a perfect movement with the blue axis. And then you have to push it up. It's around 450 millimeter, and just make it group anyway. Just make it group, and you can just move it down, this plane down, and then you can push it up. It's around 80 millimeter, right? And now you can see about the basic shape of the sofa and cushion, and I will show you about how to make a smooth edge of the edge of this cushion anyway. Then you can make 2-point arc right here. You can see it. You can see the 2-point arc. Okay, to the tangent to the edge. Okay, and then you have to select this plane, and then you have to select the follow me, and just select this corner shape of the arc, and then you have to make it group anyway. You have to make it group, and you can make the 2-point arc again in this bottom side, and you can do the same method of before. Then you can just click the plane and just select the follow me, and just select this corner area, right? So you can see the smoothness of this cushion area. Then, and after that, you can make another profile from this bench side. Is around, you can type the 60 millimeter, right? You can arrange more for making another profile from this. Okay, you can see it. You can see the bench profile, and again you can just using offset, and you can offset again to the same profile. Then you can set the position is equal with the previous profile, something like this. Then you can push it to the front again, something like this. Okay, you can do this and this area also. I'm sorry, you can offset again, you can offset again, you can offset again. And you can do this from the left side also anyway. Okay, you can see the difference. Okay, and then you can add some material with a synthetic surface with a formically laminated light, and you can set the cushion material with another material, like maybe you can use this, maybe you can use this anyway. Then you can look the more attractive object, something like this. Nice, you see. Okay, you can try it from your home anyway, or you can add some material of the floor. You can use the another material of the floor by select a tile. Maybe you can use okay, maybe you can use this anyway. Then you can see the uniqueness of this area anyway. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it would really give a lot of advantage to all of you to help your work, to make your work easier than before. Then don't forget to watch for my next video. I would like to share about the more sophisticated object to all of you. So I hope all of my video would help your work and would improve your skill for 3D modeling in SketchUp. Thanks for watching.